Namaskar and welcome to Government e-Marketplace. This is an e-learning course on brand approval. On Government e-Marketplace, there are three primary scenarios where brand approval may be required. If the seller owns a registered trademark for their brand. If the seller is an owner of a brand but does not have a registered trademark. If seller does not own any brand but still wants to apply for OEM dashboard. Salient features of brand approval process are listed below. Through brand approval functionality, seller can request for new brand as well as OEM dashboard for an existing brand. Once brand approval request is submitted, it will be processed by Government e-Marketplace. It usually takes about 7 days for the approval team to review the request. The team may reach out to sellers for additional information. Carefully review the guidelines document to know the mandatory requirements for brand creation and OEM dashboard. Seller can track the status of their request under the Requests tab in the dashboard. For unregistered and unbranded products, the uploaded catalog will be sent to the product approval team. Once approved, the product is published in the market. If the brand is registered, the product is automatically published in the market. Please note, furnishing wrong or misleading or spurious information will lead to rejection of request. Let us discuss the first scenario where seller brand has a registered trademark. At the time of brand approval, select the option We own registered trademark for a brand. Read all the document guidelines carefully before proceeding further. Please note, it is mandatory to upload trademark certificate with this request. Enter your brand name and click on Confirm. Click on Yes if you also wish to apply for OEM dashboard. Click on this link to better understand your roles and responsibilities as an OEM. You can also manage resellers through the OEM dashboard. Click on Proceed to continue. Mention your brand's website URL here. If you don't have one, enter NA here. Select the file type to upload your trademark certificate. Click here to add more documents if needed. Select Yes if you wish to apply for priority processing of your request to participate in the bid. Read the undertaking carefully and click on the checkbox to proceed. Your request has been submitted. You can track the request status by clicking on Brand or OEM Requests option under Published tab. Select this option if you don't have a registered trademark for your brand or if you have submitted an application for trademark but it is pending approval. Refer to the guideline document to know about the requisite supporting documents. Here, the OEM's company name will get added to the brand name while requesting. In case of an unregistered brand, it is mandatory to upload a notarized stamped undertaking document. In this scenario, the OEM dashboard will be pre-selected. Click here to download the prescribed signed and stamped OEM undertaking format. Click here to upload the undertaking document. You can also upload additional documents by clicking here. Please note, The rest of the process of attaining a brand approval is same as previously discussed scenario. Now, let's look at a scenario where the seller does not own any brand and wants to apply for OEM dashboard. Select the highlighted option and choose Unbranded option as the company's name. Click on Proceed. The OEM dashboard will now get pre-selected. Click here to upload supporting documents. Please note, the rest of the process is same as previously discussed.